In this video, we will show you the 5 best accessories you can buy when you are traveling with a GoPro. So let's get started. Hero 9 or 10 Skin Protector for GoPro. GoPro has 3 pieces of glass that are prone to nicks and scratches. The LCD screen on the near of the camera body, it is a smaller LCD on the front of the camera body, and the lens itself. As a new GoPro owner, you will be amazed at just how easy it is to drop your camera or bump it against sharp object. Unless you are extremely careful, your camera will go flying on bicycle, car, motorbikes, and just about any object that you care to attach it to or balance on it. There are various ways to protect your GoPro from this sort of damage, but a skin protector is the most effective since it doesn't rely on the camera being inside a case all the time. As an added bonus, you will reduce the amount of screen glare you will endure in very sunny conditions. This kit comes with 3 sets of protective H9 tempered glass for your camera. You just replace and covering each time. It is a whole lot cheaper than replacing a lens on screen. GoPro Max Grip plus tripod. It is always worth having a way to control your GoPro when it is some distance from you, which generally means using some sort of extendable pole or grip. It is almost impossible to find an action video online that doesn't include shots where are the camera and being held at a short distance from person filming. You can get by with a basic selfie stick but are better off with the GoPro Max Grip. It is more robust and has a built-in tripod. It is simple to use with a twisting locking mechanism and straightforward to open and close. With a little bit of trial and error, you will find that 360-degree shots are well within your capabilities. Even as a new GoPro owner, you just want to ensure that you don't move too quickly. Otherwise, the background becomes a blur. The only real downside is that although there is a tripod built in it is not all that stable and only really works well on a perfectly flat surface. GoPro Magnetic Swivel Clip. It allows to simply clip your GoPro to anything that offers a great perspective to your shot, whether that is backpack, a piece of furniture, a tree branch, or a bench. The uses for this clamp are limited only by your imagination and laws of physics. The built-in magnets also let you attach a clamp to any reasonably flat piece of metal from a car bonnet to fridge door. Be careful to check that weight of the camera doesn't drag the clip vertically down through. If you don't want to end up with your GoPro on the floor, this clamp truly does let set up your camera to capture the unique perspective that gives video or photographs a much more interesting look and feel. And it is big, but don't use to clamp for high-speed behind footage. So it is a convenient piece of kit to carry around with you while you are traveling. GoPro Handler Floating Hand Grip. If you are serious about filming in or around water, then you need to have a way to keep from seeing your GoPro disappear into the murky depths if you lose your grip on it. The number of shop stories doing the rounds from those who have lost their GoPro in a lake or river should give you pause for thought. And the problem gets worse when you head for the sea. That is why floating hand grip with the bright orange cap is necessary. Apart from being ultra visible even in choppy water, it has a wrist strap to prevent from falling away from you if you do drop it. That is more difficult than usual thanks to foam covered handle, which makes the GoPro handler super grippy and comfortable to hold for extended periods. It is a small, compact, universal grip. It does not get slippery or seals. So once it is attached with the buckle mount, it is highly unlikely that you will lose your camera to the ocean. If you have ever wondered how to safely carry a GoPro when you are in or around the water, then this is the answer. It is a small, compact, universal grip that easily fits into your camera bag and can be used with the generation of GoPro. So if you plan to use your GoPro anywhere, it cloud potentially for one of these in your accessory kit. Dual battery charger plus battery for Hero 9 and 10 Black. When you first starting using GoPro, running out of battery is one of my biggest problems. If you travel a lot, especially if it is of the baton trail, you are going to want to keep a charger and spare batteries in your bag. This particular charger comes with an extra battery, but we would consider buying at least one more so that you have 3 batteries charged and ready to go at the start of the day, 1 in your camera and 2 waiting in reserve. The charger does its thing relatively quickly, so you should have your battery fully charged in 2 or 3 hours depending on exactly how flood they were when you started. To get an idea of how long the battery will last, you can expect around 70 minutes when you are shooting 4K at 16 fps and around 110 minutes at 13 fps. The quality is not as good with the latter, but when you are short on battery life, it might be a trade of the happy to make. So guys, if you are looking for some accessories for your GoPro, we hope this recommendation have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all the products can be found in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more video like this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.